Hello, welcome back to the Italian Food Boss. Today we are gonna cook zucchini with tuna mayo. Phenomenal. It's a main course, you can use it as a side dish, it's gonna be very tasty. It will take a few steps to do it properly, but it's gonna be extremely tasty. What you need for this recipe: of course, zucchini, the fresher the better, and then the mayonnaise, which I like to do it myself, but if you wanna buy from the shop, you can also buy it. It's an easy recipe to make mayonnaise. Maybe one day I'll post a video as well. And it gives also a bit more control on the quality of the ingredients that you use when you make it, which if you have kids, it's quite important. The other ingredients that we're gonna use: capers, olives. We are gonna caramelize them a bit with a bit of sugar, brown sugar. And then also we are going to use a bit of breadcrumbs on top of the zucchini in the oven. I'm gonna show you all the steps that you need to make this fantastic dish. So let's start. First thing that we're gonna do is we start with the caramelization, if that's even a word, I don't know, of capers and olives and the brown sugar. So what we do, very low heat, we put some brown sugar in the pan, like so, whatever is needed, and then we let it sweat a bit together with the capers and olives. This will take half an hour, maybe, something like that. In the meanwhile, we focus on the zucchini. We start now cutting the zucchini. We have to very carefully create two sides which are more or less the same dimension. And now with a spoon we are going to get rid of all the seeds inside. And we do this for all of them. Look how they are suffering, they are sweating. Keep them there for half an hour, they will be beautiful. Now we have scooped out all the zucchini pulp, you see? Now we have our 4 zucchini halves. Of course, we don't throw the pulp. So what you can do with this is maybe you gently fry with a bit of garlic, maybe some paprika, a bit of oil. This is good. We're gonna use it somehow. But now what we wanna do with this, 3 minutes, exactly 3 minutes, 180 seconds in boiling water. Not too long, because we want them to stay crunchy, and then anyway we are gonna put them in the oven for another 3-4 minutes. So we have here a pan with boiling water. What we do, we put this 3 minutes exactly. We take an oven tray, lay a sheet of baking sheet, then a bit of oil on top. After 3 minutes we are ready to extract the zucchini from the boiling water and put them in here. They should, be quite dry. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's it. Now that we have taken the zucchini from the water, we are whisking the egg with a fork. That's enough. Whisk energetically until your arm falls off. Almost. Don't take literally, and then we brush it on. We want to use this egg on our zucchini. What I've also done, I have preheated the oven 190 degrees Celsius. Have a look on my website to know what that is in your language. Fahrenheit. Okay, so now this is ready. Now we use some breadcrumbs, because what we're gonna do now, we are going to put the zucchini in the oven for just a few minutes, literally 3-4 minutes, just to create a bit of this crust on the zucchini itself. You see? That's what we're gonna do now. That's enough. Un giro d'olio, always a bit of oil on top, and 4 minutes in the oven. 4 minuti. The zucchini are crisping it up in the oven. Now we prepare the tuna mayo. So I have my homemade mayonnaise. You can choose the one from the shop, but as I said before, I like to do it my own. And then what you want to create is to start creating this cream. Like this. You choose the consistency of your tuna mayo cream, and you can choose basically to add a bit more mayo or not. That's entirely up to you. So you squash it a bit. With the fork is perfectly fine, you don't need any fancy tool. Probably I'm gonna add a bit of mayo in my case. This is so, look at that. There is a scientific way, it's a trick. It's the Italian food boss special tip. There is one way to know when this cream is ready and at the perfect consistency. And this is the way, look, you take a bit. Yes, perfect. 4 minutes, 4 minutes have gone. We are ready to serve. Let's take one of these. Now we try and scoop a couple of scoops of tuna mayo in here. 1 e 2. Fantastic, look at this. Perfect. Put try to fill it up. And now what we want also, a bit of this nice crunchy capers and olives. You can have lots of fun in plating this up. We are more interested in the substance than the form. That's our nice zucchini with tuna mayo. On top, our caramelized capers and olives. Let's try. Look at this. Wow. I can't wait. Amazing. It's easy. It's easy. It's tasty. Zucchini with tuna mayo. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this recipe. Find me on Instagram and Facebook. That's how it's done in Italia. Bye bye guys.